tap on the balance at the left side of the screen, and this is your Stripe card balance. So there are two different Stripe card products. The first product is a card by Stripe Treasury, and the second one is card by Stripe Issuing. If you use the card by Stripe Treasury, usually you will see the financial account like I have right here as the balance. And if you use a card by Stripe Issuing, usually instead financial account, you will see the name as issuing balance. Either way, on the Stripe card balance section, you may transfer the money like do a payout to bank account, convert the money to other currency like from USD to pound sterling, add the fund to your Stripe card, which you can do by some payment method. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.